All right, guys, we're going to talk right now about the safety feature that's industry exclusive to John Deere. No one else has this. Everyone else has to have help or a hand or a buddy. We're going to show you how to lock the boom out to where you can access it, to clean it, to work on it, or whatever. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to start the machine up. And again, all of our competitors, they have to have a guy outside and a guy inside of the machine in order to do this, to put a block out or whatever, screws or bolts. With us, once you get the boom all the way up, you're going to reach around, you're going to pull this red lever, you're going to put it in the lock position, then you're going to ease your boom down, and once you feel it hit that lock, then you can cut your machine off. Now our machine is locked out. No one's had to get out, no one's had to have help. All right, guys, so once again, we're talking about end user, Deere thinking about the customer when they design everything on this machine. We have our boom up and locked out. Now, that is not necessary for what we're fixing to do. You can actually do it with the boom up or the boom down. So if your machine, for whatever reason, won't start, doesn't need to start, whatever, you don't have to have it running to get the boom up in order to do what we're doing now. So we are the only company out there that makes a machine that the cab will roll while the lift is up in the air. So some of our competitors, if your boom for whatever reason is in the air, you cannot roll the cab. So you can't get to it. Basically, all you need is an 18mm socket. There's two nuts on each side, okay? So you take those, remove them from each side. And once you have that off, basically, you grab these two handles here and lift. Now, once it's up like this, and look guys, I'm doing this one-handed, it's not heavy, there's an actuator back here. But you see this little red guy right here at the back? Once that's locked in, your cab is up, okay? And now you can access all your hydraulic hoses, your tank, your air conditioner condenser, your air conditioner fan, all of those things you can access right here. Also notice how our fuse panels are kept inside of the cab, so you can access all of those from inside the cab. Now, I'm going to show you probably the most innovative thing that we have, which is the ability to pull this tray out. So you're going to swap, you're going to get your 13mm, and there's 6 bolts. Three on each side. Once again, I want everybody to notice how much help I have doing this. So if you're by yourself, if you're a one-man operator, you don't have to have a bunch of people to help you diagnose a problem or to clean the machine out. Now, with the entire foot pan removed, you can literally access every single thing on this machine in the front. Okay? So, cleaning it out, washing it out, diagnosing, changing filters, any of that stuff's going to be easier. One other thing I want to show you where you can actually really get it is when you remove these side panels. Okay? So you're going to take your hood, you're going to lift your hood, and again, all of this can be done with the boom up or down. There's a grab handle here, pick it up. And I want everybody to take note how many bolts I take out in order to take these side panels off. None. So now we can access all of our coolants, all of our coolers. We can blow out our radiator. We can blow out our other condensers and coolers. And you can jump off that competitor's machine that will not crank at the job site. So once again, because the Deere engineers spent over 50 years talking to the customer, finding out what they need, what their needs are, they came up with a design where you can access pretty much everything on this machine within seconds to diagnose, to clean, to repair for whatever reason. Once again, I'm Drew Shirley with SunSouth, and when you think equipment, Thanks, SunSouth.